If you're looking for ways to earn money through affiliate marketing, you've probably heard about the eBay Partner Network. The program allows you to earn commissions by referring buyers to products listed on eBay. But is it actually worth joining in 2026? In this review, we'll explain how the eBay Partner Network works, who it's best for, its biggest advantages and disadvantages, and whether it's a good affiliate program to use. Let's get started. First, what is the eBay Partner Network? The eBay Partner Network, often called EPN, is eBay's official affiliate program. It allows content creators, bloggers, website owners, YouTubers, and social media creators to earn commissions by sharing links to products listed on eBay. When someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a qualifying purchase, you receive a commission based on eBay's affiliate program rules. One of the biggest advantages of the program is the enormous variety of products available. Since millions of items are listed on eBay across almost every category imaginable, it's usually easy to find products that match your audience. Whether your content is about electronics, collectibles, fashion, automotive parts, home improvement, or gaming, there are usually relevant products you can promote. Getting started is relatively simple. You create an account, apply for the affiliate program, and once approved, you can begin generating affiliate links for eligible eBay listings. These links can be placed in YouTube descriptions, blog articles, websites, newsletters, or social media posts. So, is the eBay Partner Network legitimate? Yes. The eBay Partner Network is eBay's official affiliate program and has paid commissions to affiliates for many years. It's a trusted platform used by creators around the world. However, earning money isn't automatic. Your income depends on the amount of traffic you generate, how many people click your links, and whether they complete qualifying purchases. One advantage of promoting eBay is that visitors often browse multiple products after clicking your link. Even if they don't purchase the exact item you recommended, you may still earn a commission if they buy another qualifying product during the attribution period. Now let's talk about the downsides. Commission rates vary depending on the product category, so some niches are more profitable than others. Because many listings are sold by individual sellers, products can also expire or sell out quickly, meaning you'll occasionally need to update older affiliate links. Another challenge is competition. Many creators already promote popular eBay products, so building an audience and creating helpful content remains the most important part of succeeding with affiliate marketing. What do real affiliates think? Overall, opinions are positive. Many affiliates appreciate eBay's strong brand recognition, the huge selection of products, and the ease of creating affiliate links. The most common complaints involve changing commission rates, expired listings, and earnings that depend heavily on consistent website traffic or video views. So, what's the final verdict? Is the eBay Partner Network worth trying in 2026? Yes, especially if you already create content online. If you have a YouTube channel, blog, website, or active social media audience, the eBay Partner Network can be a solid way to monetize your content by recommending products that are relevant to your viewers. Just remember that affiliate marketing takes time. The more valuable content you create and the more targeted your audience becomes, the greater your chances of earning consistent commissions. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments whether you've tried the eBay Partner Network and what your experience has been.